Hello everyone. Uh, is there anybody? Hi. Uh, Hi Roseanne, Vidisha, Tanvi. Hi Vidisha, Kudrat. This is my first live and I have to tell you I was very nervous, but when I'm seeing you all with me, my nervousness has reduced. Hi Aishwarya, Kudrat again. How are you all? I hope everybody is doing fine. So many times people have been telling me, "Hi Aishwarya," to do a live, but I was like always. So this time I thought, "Hi Vanmala." This time I thought I'll do a live because I wanted to talk about my book, The Masquerade, which is releasing very soon. Hopefully around 15th July, but we'll see because Amazon has some watching it said, yeah, I have a big smile also. So Amazon has some issues listing the new books. So the book is finished, completed from my end, and it has gone. It is waiting in queue to be listed. So let's see. We are hoping that it is out by 15th. Hi Ashna. Manasvi, I remember your name. Thank you, Vanmala. Thank you so much. Hi, Reshmi. Madhuri. Yeah, you're all here. I was like, I didn't want to do it either if nobody joins. कोई देखेगा नहीं मैं नहीं कर रही. But then, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, Parvati. Chandra. Yeah, I hope 15th. I hope it releases on 15th. Because of all these things going on and the lockdown happening, Amazon is not. I'm good, Diya. Amazon is not listing, but still, because work from our end. Yes, I remember everyone, Nidisha. So the work from our end is completed. So like this, you do your work and just let things take their own course. So we have done our work. We have given the book, and it is in queue. The moment it is listed, then we'll have an e-book and the international distribution. So thank you everyone. So the book is before that I have to thank you all for the response that you have given for the cover. It has taken a lot of hard work from the cover designers, and we took a lot of time to select the cover. So thank you so much for the cover, for the response to the cover, for the fan art that I have received. People have written little poetries, and yes, the copies are ready. Thank you so much, Simar, Ayushi. So the copies are ready, but Amazon has to distribute. So what they have to do is, like, once they list, then they start distributing. Right now they are not able to distribute. So they said that we are trying our best to maybe. Hi Rakhi, finally, Gauzia. Yes, so thank you so much for the cover, for the fan art, for the poetry, for the posters. A lot of people sent me posters, which I'll be now posting on my Instagram and so many and all my social media handles. I'm posting, like, I'll start posting the videos and the posters on Twitter and on my blog. So what was the thing that inspired me to write The Masquerade? To be very honest, Simar, what happened is I used to read a lot of things, like it's happening even now. When we go on social media and when we hear a lot of people, we see something else, and the people are behind something else behind their back. We believe what it is told to us. So the basic crux of The Masquerade is that there is a masquerade around us. We don't know who we are talking to. We are just talking to masks, and how well a person presents itself is how well he wears his mask. So thank you so much, Simran. So basically, Masquerade talks about the mindset. like your mindset is everything. If you deal with how your mind thinks, you believe what you want to believe, you you find what you've always looked for, and basically it's like your mind rules you. So if you learn to control it, you can read behind the people what they are telling you. So that's what inspired me to write Masquerade. Neha, thank you so much. Hi Priya and Priyanka and Divya, Zainab, Gauzia. So I'll have to thank you, because the moment I start writing something, you all have been so supportive. Yes, Tanvi, about the podcast, I wanted to talk to you, all of you, first of all, to encourage me to record podcast. Thank you, Rakhi. So what I have decided that I'll just record a few podcasts. I have recorded them. I'll be reading a few pages, till a few chapters, not the entire book. So I'll be reading a few pages each day, and I'll be uploading the podcast. I'll upload these podcasts on Spotify and Instagram, Twitter, blog, everywhere. On my website you will find links to all the handles, all social media handles that I am not very regular, but still whatever I post, the links are there on my website www.manitavi.net. So you can find it there, or here on Instagram also I'll post. So what we'll do is we'll just record a few lines, few excerpts from the chapters, and I'll just upload them till we get the book in our hands. So that will be a way of promoting the book also, and being in touch with you. Yeah, quick question and answer, Roseanne. Who is your Rudrani? My Rudrani is, I have always seen Rudra as Parth Samthan and Mrinalini as Niti. Nobody else can do that part that well, and that they are my muse for this. No, my younger one doesn't read. She's just passed HKG, so she doesn't read the book Diya. My older one, she hasn't read till now, but she will. And so I was talking about the podcast. So hoping to see you more on the podcast also. And love you so much. Hi Sangeeta. Thank you Rasika. Thank you for liking my books. So The Masquerade is a story about a doctor. She's a psychiatrist, Dr. Mrinalini Sengupta, and she's a believer. She believes in people. She believes in goodness. आप जहाँ बोलो हम आ जाएंगे. हाँ विदिशा, you have promised this now. अभी पीछे नहीं हटना. I'll be calling you everywhere. So Dr. Mrinalini Sengupta is a believer. She believes in fairy tales. She believes in everything. She believes in goodness of people. The other protagonist, the male protagonist, is Rudra Raghuvanshi. He's a musician. Deepali. Hi. One word to describe Rudra and Mrinalini as characters, Simar. Rudra is mysterious. That's one word for him. He's very mysterious. You don't know what he does, why he does, how he does. Mrinalini is a believer. He believes in people. She just goes by what her instincts say. Thank you so much, Shanaya. Yeah. So this is how I will describe Rudra and Mrinalini, and these two characters, they are completely opposites to each other. Thank you so much, Kansas, for believing in my writing. That's a faith that you've instilled in me, and I will try not to let it down. And Masquerade is my debut book, so definitely there must be a lot of glitches that were left, or maybe a lot of a lot of issues could have been left, which were not taken care of. So I would like you all to leave opinions. It might be amazing. Yes, it is amazing to follow your passions. It gives you and a satisfaction of doing something that you have always wanted to do for a long time. Shreya, initial chapters. No, 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 no. I started writing this book on Wattpad in a different format. When you write it chapter wise, like a fiction, like an ongoing fiction, it is different. When you write it in a book format, it has to be a little faster, crisp, and then it has to start in a particular way and begin. So initial chapters are different, but the crux of the book is same. I started writing this book on Wattpad like I used to write on different platforms, India forums. I had blogs previously also on Blogger, WordPress. I used to write different stories on it. But once I saw that they was getting plagiarized, so, and it is a very, very common thing on online platform. If you are leaving your stories, they will get plagiarized. So I removed them, and then now in the book format, I've made a little changes. But the crux of the book remains the same. The one that you've read, half of it, I removed it midway. So the crux was the same, but the initial chapters are different, and the end you haven't read. So that is different. Hi Devi. So Reshmi, I'm excited too, Chandra. So yes, this was, I always wanted to get published, but I was happy writing on online platforms. I was like, okay, I have audience, I have readers, I'm writing, it's another high. I was doing my job and I was writing on online things. So, but then I thought, no, it's high time I should get them published in a book format. Simmer, how I choose my locations. One is a place where I always want to be, a place that I want to visit, and it has always enchanted me. So I put it in my story and explore it as my characters explored. Bidisha, what inspired me to convert is the plagiarism. That was the first thing. I was, at that time, there were 3 books online on Wattpad. All 3 were parallelly getting plagiarized, full chapter by chapter. So I thought that this is an ongoing book. I was writing it at that time. So first I converted this. Rest of the 2 books are completed. So the next to go are these 2. And yes, it had all the potential to get converted into a book because the story was very clear in my mind. So I knew what I wanted from the story. So what I did is I just simply changed a few chapters, finished it, completed, sent for the editing, edited it myself, and then it is by luck that The Masquerade became my first book to be published. How did I make my website on WordPress? Again, it was destiny. I started writing on India forums. That was in 2010. Then thank you Akriti, thank you, it feels so good. So then I shifted to, there also there was plagiarism and a lot of issues. So I shifted to Blogger. But Blogger has an issue that there are very less features which I wanted, they were not there. And then if I wanted a place where I can privatize the chapters when I want, and I can add as many people as possible. So WordPress was giving me that that facility. So I shifted from Wattpad to WordPress. In real life, have you met any person who is like Rudni? Rudra is like Parth, Mrinalini is like Riti. I haven't met them, I have just seen them. In real life, no. And Rudni are my inspirations from online observation of a lot of characters. Actually, they are not one character, a lot of characters who have inspired me and who have made me think that okay, these are the characters that should be there in Mrinalini, or they should be there in Rudra. So those things, yeah, there are no inline comments in WordPress, but then there is a little safety, and WordPress has become more strict. If someone is plagiarizing, they take action, but still I'm not confident. It has happened so many times. A lot of people ask me about my old stories and I'm not able to reply to them. I get hundreds of messages, I'm not able to reply. So I want to make it very clear, my old stories will not be posted. I have been posting them time and again, but now I plan to just convert them into books. And Vidisha, you ever took inspiration from your personal life? Okay, skip this question. Please save your live chat for people who are working. Of course, I will try my best. Is that book purely fiction? Is there any real life incident which inspired to write it? There are a lot of real life incidents in the book. When you read the book, there will be a lot of incidents which you will relate. They happen very commonly around us. The Masquerade has a lot of incidents. Basically, what we read about people on the net, it's not correct, or maybe on the newspaper. We go with what is told to us. So that's the crux of the story. You go with face value. What is told to us, you believe, and you just follow that. You don't know what's going behind the scenes. It's just those few hours or those few minutes that you're online, you know that person. Otherwise, you don't know that person. No problem, Priya. I will save the chat. I will save. Don't worry. How's your tooth? No. I will not stop beyond every border. Twisted Mind was one story that was at that time I was very upset. So I just removed it there and then. Before that, I've completed every story online, and after that also I'll complete every story online. I will not stop writing online. I will keep posting online, and I will keep posting online, and then when I remove it, and then I'll see that if it is has a potential, I'll just get it published, which is my favorite novel. I can't pick up one. All of them are my favorites. They're my babies. I just missed one question. Any plans to write a book on medical life? I'm thinking. My characters have been doctors, like in Tangles and Ties. Nandu was a doctor. Here, Mrinalini is a doctor. Thank you, Akriti. Beyond every border, you're liking it. So, if I was not a doctor, I would have been a teacher. I am already a writer. I would have been a writer full-fledged. And good that your tooth is okay. And I would have been a teacher. I would have been a counselor. I do these things. Okay. Yeah. What story you are reading right now? I right now just finished two parallel. I'm nowadays reading parallel stories. So one was The Silent Patient, and I keep changing genres also. So I was just reading this The Sense of an Ending. I had stopped it. I was reading it in January, then I stopped it due to something. So I just finished that. Thank you, Gozia. Relatability. It's basically thank you, Vidisha, that you're able to. That's basically a very big compliment for a writer when the readers relate to characters or connect to them. Which story I shared? Yeah, which story? The one Till Eternity and Beyond, or which one you're talking? My favorite author, there is a lot of them are my favorites. I don't read one author for a long time. Like I used to read a lot of Roald Dahl because I used to love how he explained his descriptions. Then I've loved 2-3 books of Dan Brown and John Grisham. I go with the writing style, and some of them they really click, and some of them they don't. So there are a lot of them, not one. Thank you. I'm really thankful. So you all have to Till Eternity and Beyond, Priya. Yeah, I will resume it, because what happened is that in that the guy was an army officer. I just wrote a prologue. I didn't begin the story. The guy was an army officer and the girl was a doctor. So it was like I didn't want it to be similar to other stories. So I wanted to finish my previous stories and then start. Thank you so much, Harshita. Thank you. Thank you, Crimson. Yes, Kudrat. Love Lies is in my mind. I just wanted to give it. It is another story very, very close to me. So I will definitely give it a lot of time, and I want to write it well. I don't want to, just finish it off. So thank you so much. Thank you, Chandra. So you'll have to be there for the podcast. Listen to them. I'll be reading 3 to 4, 5 pages, like 2, 3 chapters. I'll read till the book is available. I'll be posting videos and the fan art that I received and the posters. I'll try uploading. I've recorded 2 podcasts. I'll try uploading tonight. Again, like live, it's very new to me. I don't know how to do it. So one of the readers, she advised me a very beautiful platform, Anchor. So I'm exploring it. I will definitely try my best. So yes, Madhuri, I will definitely give you a sneak peek into my personal library. Right now I'm not at my home. I have shifted to my parents' place for some time. So I will be showing you my personal library and my books soon, whenever I go back. And everybody who wants to get a signed copy needs to visit my city. And once this corona thing, COVID-19 is over, we will meet. Thank you, Chandra. Thank you for the wishes. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you, Diya. Thank you, Manasvi. Yes, the podcast will be available. The podcast most probably tonight. I'll try to upload. Otherwise, tomorrow morning. I've recorded 2 of them. And I'm also very, very excited, Reshmi. Riddhi, where do you live? If you don't come to my place, I'll have to come. So you have to tell me, where do you live? We'll see, we'll plan. What keeps me motivated? I think if you have a goal or a focus in your mind, you stay motivated. If you know what you want to do and that has to be done, you stay motivated. If you have lost your focus and if you don't know what you really want to do or you don't want to do it passionately enough, you lose that focus. But otherwise, that focus is my motivation. I'm not at my home, Priya. I'm at my parents' place. I barely get a small place to write. Last 1.5 months, I'm not at my home. Otherwise, I'll give you a big full tour of my house once I go back. Thank you so much, Vedita. Actually, right now we have paperback. There is no hardcover. We have ebook and paperback of the book. And yes, Rakhi, I will share the link and I will try to upload it on Instagram as well, because I will post it on Spotify, Instagram, and most probably maybe Facebook also. So thank you so much. I try to write as honestly as possible, as I feel. I just take the laptop, sit down and just I write what I feel like sharing with all of you. My stories are another extension of my connection with you. Like how I love uploading these My Corner blogs that I just keep blabbering so many things. Sometimes I just write something. Yeah, it happens. मैं कभी नहीं आई बनारस. I want to come. It's a beautiful city. I always see the pictures and thank you, Maisha. I always see the pictures and I want to go to Banaras. Trend for signed copies. Yeah, definitely. You make it trend. I'll find it and send you. By the way, Vidisha, you are getting a copy. Why are you becoming a leader for everyone else? You already won, no? One of the contests. Yeah, that reminds me. You can join my website for a giveaway. There are more than 25 copies that you can win. Like one person, one copy. So more than 25 people. I will publish all my books, Vedara. I will publish all of them. I don't believe in leaving my creation online to later read 10 years later in somebody else's name. That's what I've seen happening all over online. There are so many platforms, you will never know. And if all of you writers there, if you really think, and all of you readers who think that their favorite writers are not being copied, You are naive. Let me tell you. In last 10 years, thank you, Manasvi. In last 10 years, what I have observed is every story does get copied. Every story, maybe in somebody else's name, maybe somebody else, some other place, but it will be copied. If not completely, some parts. So my advice to every writer is to post it online, because it gives you a very good audience, feedback, a connect, everything. But eventually you should try to get it published. You should keep it in your name, maybe at your blog, your website, any place. Get it published in book form. Don't leave it on an open platform, because it will get copied, and after say 10 years or 12 years you will not even know where it is going. So it's a hard work. Don't leave it like that. And I plan to publish all my books. So thank you to all of you who have been joining. I was really not expecting so many of you. So many times people told me that yeah, to do a live, but I was not comfortable. I said no, nobody will join. Akriti, okay. Akriti, next character has to be Akriti, because Akriti has requested. Okay, Priyanka, yeah, I get copies by sudden. No, you cannot track your story. Vriddhi, you are right. That's what I've seen. Not with me. So many writers, after plagiarism, so many writers wrote to me. And it's a heartbreak every time. You never get used to it. Even today, if I get to know that somebody, and I've uselessly fought with people also, because sometimes people do it innocently. Some people don't want to copy, but some things get common. But then you can't end up fighting with everybody. So it's better to, thank you, Kudrat. So it's better to keep it in your name, post it online, but then save it. And thank you, Chandra. So so podcast is something that I wanted to talk about. Then the book release, you have to be there. I will announce, possibly I will again do a live with the book and I get the book. And yes, Aishwarya, I'll take that advice and I'll do it. I have so many ideas, I'll just directly do this. Rakhi, you have to be there. All the stories that you have no idea that so many people are still in touch with me. I will never forget Tress Pro. I can never forget. I can never forget any of my stories. And so I will get them all published, hopefully. And podcast and posters and videos is something that I wanted to ask you to be there. The list of stories. I am right now working on Spark and Spice. The day I finished The Masquerade and sent it from my side, because what happened is every time I used to send it after editing, they used to send it back. Then I used to send it, no, these were not the changes. Then they used to do something and send it back. So it happened 3, 4, 5 times. Every time I used to read each and every word. So the day I sent it back, I was like, no, I'm not doing any more changes in this. And I started working on Spark and Spice. And it is a pleasure to inform you that almost 4 to 5 chapters are done. And it has around 36, 37 chapters. The Masquerade has 38 chapters. Spark and Spice will have 37 chapters. So the next is Spark and Spice. That is why so many people who are calling me and asking me, sending me messages and mails that they want to read Spark and Spice, they can't read it because I'm not going to post it now. I will be directly sending it for proof editing and publishing. Thank you, Rashmi. Tangers and Ties will be the third one. And hopefully, because Beyond Every Border is one story that I am editing simultaneously. Yes, Vriddhi. So next is Spark and Spice, and hopefully next will be Beyond Every Border. And because I was posting Fire and Ice, so I was editing it also. So a lot of stories are almost prepared. So this time it won't take 1.5 years for each, because Madhuri. I don't have, I have a broad storyline in mind. I have an idea. When I start writing, it's an idea. and the characters are very clear, but I don't have an idea, I don't have a storyline fixed for chapter wise. As I go on writing, I just modify the story. It's just the broad outline and the characters. Yes, I will publish Beyond Every Borders and Tangled and Ties. So the order Priya asked me was The Masquerade, then Spark and Spice, then Tangles and Ties, and Beyond Every Border, Fire and Ice, Trespasses Prohibited, and other stories that I have written previously and you guys haven't read. They were on India forums. Spark and Spice is the first book that Vedara. It's like Spark and Spice is a very big book that also I wanted to share. Spark and Spice and Tangles and Ties are two big books, so they will have two parts. Like they will be released in two parts and two standalone stories, one after the one and then the sequel, because they are big stories and I don't want to cut them. Cutting short will be killing their essence. Short stories I'll start posting on the blog. Short stories I don't plan to publish it in a book form. I'll keep them on the blog. So good for reminding me, Priya. I will post them and they'll be there on the blog. Thank you, Vidisha. I just keep planning these things and then so many things keep happening. So just pray that all this happens in a flow and how we have planned. And that blog stories, I will post it. I'll make a post and I'll post it on the blog. So, hi Sushila. It has been a really great experience to be in touch with all of you. Actually, you were a great motivator for me to come and join this, because this is the only place that I'm talking to all of you in parallel. I'll post my previous writing also, and yeah, right. Thank you, Akriti. Thank you for being there. I have written a lot of stories, Neha. So when you start reading, you have to read all of them. Thank you, Priya. It feels great when people say that they get inspired. It is something that motivates me. I really hope everything is going fine with all of you. The times are a little difficult. That is why why I made that My Corner post was, see, a lot of things are not in our hand. A lot of things go wrong, but there are some things which are in our hand. So if things are not going well around us, or maybe there is some pressure of different things, at least we should keep ourselves involved and keep working on something. Thank you. So keep working on something, so it takes you forward. It pushes you ahead. So I don't. You will find your passion, Priya. You will. Otherwise, I'll talk to you. So writing is something that I could never stop. So some Priyanka. Hi Preeti. Thank you, Sushila. So writing is something that has always kept me occupied in a positive way, motivated me, and if there is something that hi, come. So this is my little one. Say hi. Hi. So you want to stay here or you want to go? Thank you so much. Hi Astha. It's okay. I'll save it. You can see it later. Yeah, I'll save the video. Thank you, Purva. Hi Delchi. Thank you, Preeti. Yeah, they are. My older one tells me. My older one is actually a reader. She reads a lot of teen books, Harry Potter fan and all. So, and she used to read a lot of kids books when she was in, younger classes. She always wanted to, she used to tell me, when I grow up, I'll read your books. Thank you, Maisha. So just hope the book releases on time, and I'll be posting a video once it releases. And my family doesn't read my books, Madhuri. My kids don't read, they are my only fans. Others are not interested. And to be honest, I'm happy that way, because at least I don't get judged. What are you writing? No, Priya, none of my kids read my books because they're too young. Like the younger one is just past HKG, and the older one is young, so she doesn't read. But she wants to read when she grows up. Thank you, Apurva, for liking BEB. I will post an update soon. Thank you, Sushila. Thank you, Dalchi. It is one of my motivators when people say that they want to write when they read my stories, and people say that we've started reading. A lot of people tell me that I've started reading after reading your book. That is a big motivator. So that actually motivates me, inspires me, and when people tell me that they smile after reading the story, that is a great positive, pushing factor. Yes. The day I get very good reviews on the update, I say, yeah, I want to write another. Next part I'll write today. The day I average, okay, I think this has to be something really good. So Deepali, I'll post all of them. I'll post all the stories. So you won't be able to get hold of any of my stories because I've removed all of them. I couldn't leave those babies unattended on some platform. So I removed all my stories. I will do live chats now. I am getting a hang of it. This is my first, and similarly, yes, the podcast is again my first. So please excuse me. You started writing, Tanvi. That's so good. Share with us, all of you who have been writing. A lot of people tell me to give shout outs, but right from the beginning, since Wattpad, I have felt really bad because I can't do that. I get almost 50 requests a week to give shout outs, and it will be like, I feel it is unfair to the readers. I keep every update, I can't say that. So I'm really, hi Mahi, hi Roseanne, Asta. So I was thinking to have a platform where we can just post one story by any new writer, and then people can read them. That could be a place. It's okay. Yeah, Deepali, I'll start posting somewhere. Yeah, actually every time the story gets stolen, it's a heartbreak for the writer. And for me, what happened is they were being stolen word by word, chapter by chapter, and didn't happen only for one time. It happened for many times. Hi Sanchi. So what happened is that after some time, I didn't want my drive or my passion to suffer, that okay, I don't want to write because anyways it's getting stolen. So I thought, what can we do about it? So I changed the platform. So I follow my passion amidst my busy schedule, because I have realized that it gives me a lot of happiness, a purpose of my life, and it keeps me sane. So whenever I'm not able to write, just 2 days back I was telling someone that if you find me upset and if you find me not doing well, just ask me to write something, because if I don't write, I feel lost. So writing has the power to pull you from the worst of phases. And that's how Astha, my writing only pulled me, because Yes, they do. They do steal a lot of work. I have no idea how people manage. You can never be famous by copying stuff. You can copy few updates. Thank you, Pushpita. So then I thought, what should we do about it? So I changed the platform. I went to WordPress. But then, you know what happens is once somebody has stolen your work, you will never be able to trust again. It's once bitten, twice shy. So that time I thought it's high time now. This is the right time to take a plunge and let me get it published in my name. So that two things happen. One, it is in my name. Thank you, Sushila. And second is they get saved, they get immortalized, and that is the best thing that happens with when you get it published. Yeah. So that is how, because I love my stories too much. So I thought, okay, let's be just get them published. So the response has been very good, number one. So thank you to everybody. And no, it's a high to connect to all of you. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for following me on so many different platforms. Thank you for keeping up with my schedules, waiting for the updates, waiting for stories, waiting for this Be Masquerade to get published. I hope you like the story. I hope you've liked the cover. Sachi, you will be able to read Spartan Spice after 3-4 months again in a book form. Hi Srishti, thank you so much. And I love you all. I love you all a lot. And your support has been phenomenal. I have no words. The day I started writing till now, I have only received positive enforcement from all of you, and this was, I don't have words for that. So I had to come here to thank you. Pushpita, one of my beta readers. Rakhi. Yeah, Rakhi, we need to meet. How is it? How is it in Mumbai? It's how is it around you? It's fine. Podcast will be uploaded possibly tonight, or most probably tonight. I'll post after this. And yes, I will post the notifications in Instagram as well. Thank you, Tanvi. And don't be sorry, Sushila. Don't be sorry for not commenting. It's okay, I understand. See, it's my passion to write, and I keep writing. I don't expect comments and applause every time, because not everybody has the time to comment on every update. But once in a while, if you come and tell me that, okay, the story is doing well, and I wish that too they read. So once in a while also, if you come and tell me that the story is doing well and I should continue, it's more than enough for me. I hope it happens. I am trying. I have decided to send a copy. I don't know how to do that. Yes, Rakhi, we need to talk. We'll talk. I'll give you a call tonight. Yeah, Priya, I hope so too. Thank you, Bindu. So, Roseanne, yeah, I am planning. I need to just sort out how to. Yeah, that's so sweet. See, everyone who comments is kind of, it's so dear to me, because when I post an update, I would want a feedback and an opinion. How did it go? But I was telling to those who were not able to comment. Doesn't mean that all of you only said that don't comment, so we are not commenting. No, it's not going to happen. Okay, if that is another parameter, you're not able to comment, Apurva. Try logging by change the password or login ID. Hi Gursheen. So that is another parameter that tells me that the story is now has lived its life. When the comments start going down, when there is nothing more left to write, and when I feel that okay, now it has become a little old and people are not that not that regular, so I try to finish the story. That's my pleasure, Sushila. You can always talk to me anytime. So I am grateful to Wattpad too. I am grateful to a lot of things. That includes Wattpad, that includes hi Pihu. Don't be sorry, it's fine. I know a lot of people are working at this time. So I am thankful to Wattpad, I am thankful to KYY, I am thankful to Pani. I am thankful to so many people for inspiring me. You have to work on it, Roseanne. You have to work. If you feel it's good that you realize that I'm not good at in a certain aspect. Some people are not really good at characterization. But the thing is, if you realize, you can work on it. If you think you're not good at stand here. If you think you are not good at dialogues, you can work on it. Thank you, Gursheen. Thank you, Piyu. She is cutie pie and she is very, very, very naughty. Why are you angry? Smile. 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 Smile.
मम्मी एक आदमी रेड आई पर आपकी तंदूरी में
Give me 5 minutes.
हैं?
लग गई चोट.
कैसे?
Last year I was.
और आप ये टिश्यू पेपर लेके क्यों आए थे? तो जैसा नीचे लिखा है.
Thank you. So people are saying hi to you. Say hi and go. Say hello. Okay, this is bad manners.
Hi.
Smile. Say hello.
Hello.
She's just throwing attitude, nothing else. She's not a shy baby. She's just throwing attitude. Otherwise, she'll be holding a camera and she'll be telling me, click my video. Thank you so much, Bindu. So, thanks for all these hearts. Kids need attention all the time. They will be like, what are you doing there? I will record it. I will save it, Pihu, and I will post it here on IGTV and on YouTube also. So once again, I have to tell you, The Masquerade is about human mind, how it works. And it's not a medical book, not how it works. It's how it misleads us. And this is for you, Pihu, because you missed it. It's about how people around us are wearing different masks, and we are walking in that masquerade wearing a mask ourselves. So it's like we are going by what is told to us. We live by face value, and suddenly we see the real face of some people and we what? This was the true face, okay. So this is about Masquerade. I hope you all like that book, and don't do this, and do leave feedback and opinions, and I'll be reading tonight, Priya. So 1 hour is not over. I don't know, it's time for me to go. Thank you so much for joining, all of you. Yes, Asta, it will be on Amazon, it will be on Flipkart, it will be on Kobo and Notion Press site, a lot of places. So what I'll do is I'll make a post from where it is available, and those of you, I have a few books to give away, so the details are there on my blog, on my website. And yes, Sachi, I will continue all my stories online. I will not leave any of them. So I can't give away the climax of the book here, but podcast timings also I'll upload. I'll tell here on Instagram, and I'll tell all the details where the book is available and how you can take it. I also have some gift coupons where you can get the discount on Amazon or Notion Press. So you just I'll post a giveaway sort of a thing, so you can just take those discounts, so you can get some 20% or some discounts on the book. And Tanya, another beta reader. So yes, thank you so much, Gazia, for joining. Thank you for being there. It's amazing to have all of you. I was really telling people koi nahi dekhega. Samriddhi, thank you so much. Rakhi, there is no pre-booking because Amazon has some issues listing the book. So directly it will be available. The moment they are able to list, I'll inform. So bye Tanvi. So even I have to go. Once again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for listening to all that I said. I don't know what I kept repeating all the time, but yeah, even I'm going to see you. So thanks for joining. Thanks everybody, whoever joined me and listened to me. And I had some announcements to make. So thank you for asking questions and being patient with me like you always are. You all are really, really, really close to me. You're rock stars. Thank you. And bye. Take care. See you more in upcoming lives. Bye. Yeah, I'll update soon. Say bye. She's saying bye.
Bye.
Bye. Smile.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Fine.
Bye.